Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Selene Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia. In this winter frost event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower, Highland Poppy. You can buy the seed from the NPC Blanc in three colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today I will show you how to get the Selene Highland Poppy seed. It's the one of the kind of Highland Poppy that has the maximum star or 5 star. And to get this Selene Highland Poppy, first make sure you already have the blue Highland Poppy and green Highland Poppy like this. And once you have two colors like this, you can blend them side by side with the same color or side by side alternately like this. You can just copy my layout. And if you don't know how to obtain this blue color and green color, just check the tutorial link in the description below to watch the tutorial to get this color. And then after planting with the side by side with the same color or alternately like this, just water them and wait until they bloom, but don't harvest them yet. Just keep watering daily and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreeding work. And usually these crossbreed seeds appears in the morning. And to speed up or to get the best quality seeds, this you can ask your friends to help water your plants. Because my experience, this really increases the spawn rate of crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got the Selene seed, Selene Highland Poppy seed like this, from the green and blue color that I plant alternately like this, from this flower. And okay, that's it how you can get the Selene Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.